Are you looking for a luxurious Class C motorhome that's built with old-world craftsmanship, unmatched engineering, and innovation? Look no further. Welcome to the Entegra Qwest. Qwest from Entegra is a mid-size Class C motorhome which comes with several standard top-notch amenities to ease your life away from home. Built on a Mercedes Sprinter chassis with 188 horsepower fuel-conscious diesel engine, the Qwest has the power needed to get you where you want to go. On the exterior, the Qwest sports a full-body paint job and an automatic encased 14-foot awning to keep you nice and cool in the shade. The Qwest comes in two floor plans, the 24K and the 24L. The 24K has two slide-outs, one for the dinette area and another slide-out for the queen bed. Here we're featuring the 24L with the full wall slide-out and queen bed. A full bath complete with a standalone sink, shower, and toilet. Between the high-intensity recessed LED ceiling lights, the 32-inch LED living room TV with cable hookup, ultra-leather furniture, and JBL premium sound, this RV is about luxury, comfort, and style. The Qwest offers a full cab-over bunk that features a panoramic window which adds lots of natural interior light while providing a huge window. In the private bedroom, the Qwest offers bountiful wardrobe storage and a queen bed that's the ultimate in comfort and relaxation. The kitchen features expansive countertops, high-end curved European-style cabinetry, a 2-burner cooktop with flush cover, a stainless steel convection oven, a 3-way Norcold refrigerator, and a booth dinette with room to relax and enjoy a meal with family wherever you are. Entegra has a rich history and reputation. In 2008, the Entegra coach became a part of the Jayco family and is known for quality, rock-solid construction, and superior luxury. Their attention to detail is outstanding, which results in a dependable and innovative design focused on you and your experience. If you're interested in seeing if the Qwest is the right fit for you and your next adventure, come see us at La Mesa RV or visit us at lamesarv.com and experience life.